Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the figure above shows the complete graph of the function g in the xy plane. We're asked which of the following must be true out of 1, 2, and 3. So first we're asked, is g of negative 3 equal to 2? How do we find that? Well, we go to x is equal to negative 3, which is going to be right here. And then we say, okay, on this here, where is the value of g on x is equal to negative 3? Well, at this point, right here, this point has x is equal to negative 3, and it's on the line. So what is the value of this point? Well, then you find the value is the y value, which is 2. So g of negative 3 is 2. Therefore, 1 is true. Next, we're asked, is g of 2 equal to negative 3? Similar thing. X is equal to 2, so we go here, and we see where for x is equal to 2 is the function g. It's at this point right here. Is this equal to negative 3? Well, what is the y value of this point? We go over, we find that g of 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 is not true. G of 2 is not negative 3. So 2 is out. And do we have to check 3? So, looking at these answers, 3 only. Could it be 3 only? Well, we can say, okay, 1 is true, therefore it cannot be 3 only because it would have to be 1 and 3. So that's out. B, 1 and 2 only. 2 is not true, so it can't be B. 1 and 3 only, that could be possible. We know 1 is true, we know 2 is not true, and we don't know about 3. So this is still a possibility. And then 1, 2, and 3 are true. 2 is not true, so it can't be D. So C must be your final answer. If you wanted to, just on this problem, go and check 3, that's fine. But I just want to show you another way to get to the answer. It might help you in an actual test setting. Getting there a little bit faster will save you some time for the other problems. But either way, you get C as your answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.